Zebra Skimmers Tech Support, Kristen speaking. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Kristen, it's Eugene. I'm trying to figure out the best way to remove these tramp oils from our CNC machines. We're considering either mechanical skimmers or coalescers, but not sure which one will work best for us. Can you help?
Of course, Eugene. It really comes down to what best fits your application and equipment preference. Both have their advantages and considerations, including cost implications.
I see. Could you break down how each one works?
Certainly. Mechanical skimmers, like our disc, belt, or tube models, directly remove the tramp oil layer from the surface. The removed oil is then discharged into a waste container, which you'll need to manually empty periodically.
Good to know.
Since it's ideal to remove tramp oils daily to prevent bacterial growth, we recommend installing a skimmer on each machine sump to run as needed.
Got it. And how about the coalescers?
A coalescer works by drawing in the entire surface layer from your sump. Inside the coalescer, oil is separated from the coolant by gravity and collected in a holding tank. You then manually discharge the collected oil to a waste container.
Oh, I see.
Similar to skimmers, for effective oil removal, it's best to dedicate a coalescer to each machine sump and run continuously.
Well, that makes sense. So if I understand correctly, the choice between them would depend on our daily maintenance capabilities and whether we prefer continuous or manual operation.
Exactly, Eugene. If your team can manage manual emptying, mechanical skimmers might be the way to go. If you're looking for a more integrated solution, a coalescer would be ideal.
Well, thanks, Kristen. That really clears things up. I think I'll discuss this with my team and we'll see what best fits our workflow.
You're welcome, Eugene. If you need more information or assistance in choosing the right model once you've made a decision, feel free to get back in touch. We're here to help ensure you get the best solutions for your needs.
Will do. Thanks again for your help, Kristen.
Anytime, Eugene. Don't hesitate to call if you have any more questions. Have a great day.
You too, Kristen. Goodbye.